Day 6, entering into the zone. Hi, welcome back to day 6 of How to Meditate. This is your friendly neighborhood therapist, John. And in today's session, we'll be entering into the zone. In meditation, there's a sweet spot we're able to hit when we're so committed to our focus. And we call this level of concentration the zone. In meditation, we enter the zone through working out our muscle of concentration. And we work out our muscle of concentration when we commit to our home base. This makes finding the right home base very important because different home bases work better for different people. And so the idea behind today's session is exploring the many different home bases at our disposal. So let's start exploring some different options. Okay, so find your meditation position. Eyes can be closed or half open, softly staring at the ground. So let's start by taking a couple of deep breaths in together. Deep breath in. Deep breath out. Deep breath in. Deep breath out. As you take another deep breath in, I want you to bring your full attention to the feeling of the incoming breath. And then as you exhale out, there's this downward motion, like you're sinking into the cushion. Deep breath in. Deep breath out. As you start to take another deep breath in, it's like you're stretching out the spine. And then as you exhale out, it's like you're breathing out any tension. Really relaxing your face and your jaw, easing your shoulders, and don't forget to loosen any of the worry lines in your forehead. Just let your whole body kind of relax. So let's activate our equanimity muscle. So even if you're uncomfortable, even if you had a bad day and your thoughts are racing all over, you might feel like crap. Even if all this is true, equanimity asks us a very simple question. Can you be okay with it? Can you rise above all the noise that's happening in your life and accept that things aren't always going to be perfect, but still show up anyway? Doing this alone will change your whole meditation experience and will help your experience go a lot smoother. So in this meditation, we're going to be exploring a few different home bases. The first one we'll try is one we're all too familiar with, and that's the breath. The idea is to hone in on whatever part of the breath best resonates with you. So for the next little while, try to notice the soft feeling of the breath at the nostrils. Or maybe it's the breath as it travels up and down your throat. Or even the breath as it enters the belly. Pick whichever one you can enjoy the most and focus on it for a bit. Beautiful. So if you're really locked in with the breath, then stay with it. But there are some people that don't really like the breath, and that's no problem. So let's try to explore some alternatives. I want you to explore different sensations in your body. Maybe it's the air on your skin, maybe it's the belly expanding when you inhale, or the ground underneath your feet. Maybe there's a little tingly sensation somewhere in your body, like your foot falling asleep. Whatever you decide, pay close attention to this one spot and become totally absorbed in it. Keep going. So you might find yourself getting distracted. Getting distracted and then coming back is what meditation's all about. Every time we come back, it's like a bench press for the mind. Okay, final home base option. Choose a sound. Nature sounds are great. I'm sure you've noticed I'm very fond of the sound of rain. Maybe you're fond of background sounds like faraway traffic, or maybe the hum of a fridge. Whatever you like, choose a sound and keep going. Just one more minute. When the mind wanders, gently bring it back to your home base, always in a relaxed way. So, for this last stretch, let's really try to go deeper, deeper than we've ever gone before. And now, just totally relax and coast, doing nothing. You now have plenty of options. So remember which home base you like working with the most. The longer you work with a home base, the more it becomes this reliable place you can come back to anytime. And not just when you meditate, your home base is always with you in the office, at school, on the bus. You just have to close your eyes and connect. Okay, you can open your eyes now. Beautiful working with you. Tomorrow, we calibrate our minds by learning how to shut the up. Trust me, it will be fun. God bless, and I will see you then.